Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall PNC mobile app step by step clearly. Open your mobile device and locate the PNC mobile app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap and hold the PNC mobile app icon until a menu appears or the app starts to jiggle, depending on your device. On iOS devices, look for an option that says Remove App or a small X icon in the corner of the app. On Android devices, you may see an option for Uninstall or Remove in the menu that appears. If you are using an iOS device, select Remove App, and then confirm by tapping Delete App in the pop-up window. For Android devices, tap on Uninstall and then confirm your choice in the confirmation pop-up. Wait for a moment as your device uninstalls the application. Once the process is complete, the app will be removed from your device. Check your home screen or app drawer to ensure the PNC mobile app has been completely uninstalled. If you wish to uninstall the app through your device settings, open the Settings app. On iOS, navigate to General, then tap iPhone Storage and find the PNC app in the list. Tap on the PNC app and select Delete App, then confirm your action. On Android, go to Apps or Application Manager and scroll to find the PNC mobile app. Tap on it and select the Uninstall option, then confirm in the dialog box that appears. After following these steps, you will have uninstalled the PNC mobile app from your device successfully. If you encounter any difficulties, checking the support documentation for your specific device may help. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.